The Neo Blush is a richly pigmented gradient cheek color that's great for eyes, cheeks, and lips. We're gonna start with Pink Sand and the contour brush. And I'm gonna go from the middle to the deepest color of the pink sand and place it just under the outside of Joanna's eye. Layer the lighter color of pink sand over to give that beautiful reflection and pearlized glow as she turns her head. I'm gonna blend this up just to her brow bone. Now we're gonna carry this color into her eyelid and blend into the crease. Now I'm going to switch to Rose Cliff, which has a little bit more of a golden and punchy pinky plum tone. So I'm gonna use the small brush and I'm gonna slide it through the entire palette. I'm just gonna place this in Joanna's crease and continuing that deeper color just to frame underneath her eye. Now we're gonna dip into the lightest gold color and highlight her eyelid and inner corner of her eye. We're gonna mix all of the colors together, ending with the gold, and just dust across her lips for a beautiful coral, satiny lip color.